Master bathroom ideas. It's hard not to admire this master bathroom from Benjamin Moore, a showcase for some of their paints. For starters, the vertical columns are painted in a rich matte black called carbon copy. This bathroom has a generous amount of natural light pouring in through the two big windows. When the day is over, the pendant halogen lights over the sink take over. It's all right angles and straight lines, the epitome of city-urban loft living. Drama abounds in this white bathroom with taupe columns. The columns and arches are purely decorative, they hover about 6 inches from the real, load-bearing walls, but they add a real sense of grandeur and style. The white walls go perfectly with the deep marble soaking tub. This is indeed a stately bathroom, and you need the requisite space to pull this off, not just floor room, but also 12-foot ceilings to accommodate the columns and arches. Now, this is truly a serious bathroom counter so long, you could practically land a 747 on it. This bathroom's strength is its length. The downside of these long, narrow bathrooms is that you have no place to put the shower, except at the very end. You find little solid, natural, unstained wood in bathrooms. Call it the Finnish sauna effect or not, it's more a result of wood being difficult to maintain in moist environments. This powerful design features a black and white color scheme, sconces, oversized tub, and even carpet atop a tile floor. Most master bathroom ideas revolve around cramming the space with everything imaginable. This one, from Armstrong, preserves the wide open floor space. Note the double pedestal sinks and the slipper tub on the left side. Must all master bathrooms be gargantuan? No. While there is no single, agreed-upon definition for master bathroom, I would say a sophisticated design from paint manufacturer Pratt & Lambert. Inevitably, you'll find cantilevered cabinets attached to the wall rather than resting on the floor, a major hallmark of today's modern bathroom. On the heels of our previous classic-style master bath, here's another one also with a pedestal sink, sconces, and subway tile. This bathroom, featuring Olympic paints, is decidedly easy-going, soft, and gentle. Slipper tubs are always a great addition to master baths. The high, slope back allows for hours of relaxation, reading, and maybe even a little nap. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.